Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use or enable the 108 megapixel camera on the Samsung S22 Ultra. It's pretty easy, and I'm going to show how you can do it. So we all know how the S22 Ultra is a strong phone. It is a really good phone that can be used for and has a really strong camera, 30 times zoom, 10 times zoom, 100 times zoom. So it is a really strong camera. One of the features that it has 108 megapixel sensor on it, and of course we would want to use that. So how we can use it is that once you open the camera app, okay, as you can see over here, you have a bunch of different options: the 30 times zoom, the 10 times zoom, and the 100 times zoom. We don't want these. What we want is basically to use the 108 megapixel camera. So how we can access this is that even if you go on to more, you can't find it. So how we can do it is that if you go onto photo, from photo, you're going to click on the 9:16, or this aspect ratio right beside the timer app, and once you click on it, as you can see, you see something called 3x4 108 megapixel camera. This is basically the 108 megapixel camera. You're using it right now. So basically, this is how you can use the 108 megapixel camera. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.